So everything went good? First impression so far, this Pathfinder kit rides pretty damn nice. I got a pin top kit on my truck, fully optioned out like this. And I think this thing's got some tire pressure in it for sure, but grab this dip right. Oh yeah, dude, this thing's sweet. Yeah, Mitchell's gonna like this. Well, we're gonna pull up and do some photos and stuff real quick. Show you guys what we got. All right, so we have a Ram 3500 single rear wheel. This is pretty much a fully optioned out kit minus radius arms. It's Devers, Pathfinder, 2.5s, the shackles, sway bar, pretty much everything. So this thing turned out pretty sweet. You guys did a killer job on it, so let's do a little walk around on it. It's on 37s. Devers are gonna break in. It'll settle a little bit in the rear over time, as to be expected. Have the heat shrink on the clamps. Obviously the sway bar. Sorry, I just went through some water. This thing looks sweet. And the color on the shocks, the Pathfinders, with the color on this truck go so good together. So I know, gotta love California sunsets sometimes, but I know the guys did some extra work on this thing. So let's take a look at that. I'll give you a little sneak peek real quick. Oh yeah. Base diff cover, Devers, and then let's go up front. This is all emissions on, emissions compliant. Banks Monster Ram with the meter grid fix, so you don't get that nasty nut falling into your motor. And they got a bunch of services that it needed for the mileage that it's at, and it's ready to ship and go home. So if any of you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've had a Ram. I prefer my Fords, but I do like these trucks. They look good, and when they're done right, they're sweet trucks. Again, first initial impressions on driving this thing, I think this is the first one they've done or we've done with a Pathfinder kit, and I'm truly impressed. The guys killed it on the install per usual, and I mean, this thing is dialed, and the alignment, I don't know. I've had a lot of trucks here, and I've had a lot of customers' trucks here, and I've had a lot of buddies' trucks here. They kill the alignment every time. For a big old truck like this with a lift and 37s, they drive just effortlessly. This little turn in right here, it's pretty deep, pretty steep. We're gonna smash into this real quick. Got a little trimming to do, but I think just sucked it up for a 3500, no problem.